Hello reptile lovers and welcome back on our channel. My name is Sven and this is a documentation of building a big monitor lizard enclosure. If you're new to this channel, check out our playlist. Maybe subscribe to this channel, give us a thumbs up. And today it's all about an update for the pond. Here you can see the few more fish for the pond and a few more plants, because plants are really good for the pond or for aquariums. Here is a quick view of the pond for the update. First of all, I put in the fish, but first I have to wait for the right temperature. And then the first plant for low light conditions is moving in. Now it's time to release the fish in their new home. This is a nice plant for paludariums because this plant is growing out of the water. I'm really looking forward to see this plant grow. This plant is also getting a nice booster to start growing faster. I write down every changes I made in this enclosure just to have a good overview over this build. This is another nice plant that I connect to a mangrove piece with a little bit of wire. Here I filmed out of our submarine and you can see that we have right now a lot of small fish in this pond. So this was a quick update from the pond. We put in a few plants, a few new fishes. So yeah, now we have to wait maybe about 4 weeks and then we will hopefully get our new monitor lizard. Fingers crossed. Okay, and if you want to see what we did right now, check out our playlist. And if you won't miss the next video, maybe from the monitor lizard, give us a thumbs up, click the notification bell and the subscribe button. We both say thank you and we see us in the next video. Bye bye.